Razia Sultan. Razia Sultan, whose full name was Razia Sultan, was a significant figure in the history of the Delhi Sultanate in medieval India. She was the daughter of Sultan Iltutmish and became the first and only female ruler of the Delhi Sultanate. Razia Sultan was born in 1205 CE and received an excellent education in various disciplines, including administration, military tactics, and the Quran. Her father recognized her abilities and appointed her as his heir, bypassing his sons. 1236 CE, upon the death of Sultan Iltutmish, Razia Sultan ascended the throne as the Sultan of Delhi. Razia Sultan faced considerable opposition from the nobles and conservative elements of society due to her gender. However, she proved to be a capable and determined ruler. She adopted the title of Sultan instead of Sultana to assert her authority and equality with male rulers. During her reign, Razia Sultan implemented administrative reforms and promoted meritocracy. She appointed capable individuals to key positions based on their abilities rather than their social status or birth. She also enacted policies to promote justice, religious tolerance, and welfare. Razia Sultan was known for her military prowess and led several successful campaigns against rebellious governors and rival kingdoms. She personally led her armies into battle and earned the respect of her soldiers. Despite her accomplishments, Razia Sultan faced opposition from powerful nobles who were unhappy with her policies and her refusal to conform to traditional gender roles. 1240 CE, a rebellion led by Malik Altunia, a former governor of Bhatinda, resulted in her defeat and capture. She was deposed and subsequently married Altunia. Unfortunately, Razia Sultan's reign came to a tragic end. In 1240 CE, while attempting to reclaim her throne, she was killed in a battle against another rival faction near Kaithal, Haryana. Razia Sultan's brief reign challenged traditional gender norms and set a precedent for future female rulers in the region. Her determination, administrative reforms, and military skills made her a notable figure in Indian history, and she continues to be remembered as an inspiring and influential leader.